Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to do something a little fun. Camping season is coming about, and you know, when you're out camping, you always got to have tunes. And I've seen many people make little portable stereos out of a 50 caliber ammo box. So I'm going to make my own, but I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to use these waterproof speakers, and I also picked up this Boss Bluetooth MP3 stereo that I'm going to all install inside of here. But the only issue is that I overcome, or I'm going to deal with, is that I've already laid out where the speakers are going to be cut out. However, that doesn't leave any room for the stereo, and I want to put the stereo up top here and still have the handle, but unfortunately that's not going to work. So the handle is going to have to come off and the stereo is going to have to go in the middle. And this is going to be powered by one of the mini jump starters that I got, because I picked up these. This is an EC5 cable, which is your traditional jump starter cable that we're going to plug into jump starters, and that's how this thing's going to be powered when I'm out camping. I think it's going to be pretty fun. So I think that's gonna work out all right. I just quickly welded and sanded that down, and I'll probably just naturally leave it so over time it'll corrode and blend in. Now I'm gonna feed the speakers in. Don't laugh. I know it's horrible, but it is what it is. Once the speakers are in place, the horrible cutting's covered up. Now I need to make a change of plans. I'm gonna use the 12-volt cigarette adapter right here instead, because the plugs I bought that I was originally gonna use for the jump starter are actually backwards. The jump starters, that's not it. Here it is. I'll have the opposite style plug. The female, and it's male to male in there, so that's not going to work. So let's get these wires all soldered up. I got these two extra ones right here because these lights have some, or should I say, these speakers have some LEDs in them. And we're going to connect this all together and see how it is. Ideally, you'd want some heat tape, or shrink tape I should say, but I am out. Theoretically, I should be able just to grab the stereo here, plug that in. Push that in, as so. Alright, power this thing up and see what's gonna happen. I'm hoping the jump starter can fit in there as well. There we go. We got some power now. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. She's got some awesome sound for a little box. For camping, oh yeah. This was a quick and dirty, easy project. This is version 1. I'm sure in the future I'm gonna revise it into something different. And when I do that in the future, I'm gonna take a little bit more care in how I build it, but I just slapped this together quickly. And now test it out, see how it's gonna work camping. hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I might get some ammo paint and paint these speaker covers green to blend in, but for now it'll do. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I want to thank you guys for watching.